social media, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube.
Hi Priyanka, you are on mute.
Yeah. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Right. So, how are you doing?
Yeah, I am doing good. What about you, ma'am?
I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. Okay. Now, today we will start the session. But before that, let's have an extemporary. And you know the rules. There are two topics, and you have to choose one between them. Topics are first of all impact of COVID-19, first one, and the second one is work-life balance. Impact of COVID-19 or work-life balance. Which one do you choose?
Yeah. First one, ma'am.
Impact of COVID-19. All right, you have three
Yeah.
minutes to talk about the topic.
Okay. So yeah, during COVID-19, we have faced so many difficulties, but after this period, we feel like we people lost. Sorry, during COVID-19, we faced so many difficulties, and the people locked in their houses. They don't move here, and they didn't move here and there. But there is a good thing also, like on climate, or we can say on environment. It will a good impact. Sorry, it was a good impact because at that time vehicle are not using that much, and so many industries were closed. So I sometimes we thought like nature was healing herself. So yeah, and some bad impact also were there, like are there, like uh, so many people lost their job, and so many like the person who can't stay at home, like in extrovert person, they faced so many difficulties because their nature is go outside and do different things. They explore things, but that time they lock their houses. So it impact. And yeah, also old age people, they also felt faced so many difficulties. They can't they couldn't go outside. They locked their homes. So yeah, these are the impact.
Of COVID-19.
Yeah.
All right. So, as you know, COVID-19, the period happened in past, so you have to talk in past tense. And the good thing is that
Yeah,
whenever you were
but
making,
impact is,
okay, yeah,
yeah, now.
Hmm. Yes,
So yeah,
impact
I
is
was saying impact is also till now, na? So that is why I'm using present
but
tense also.
right, right, perfect. But if you're talking about specific impact that happened before, then you have to speak in past tense. So
Yeah.
whenever you're talking about an impact which is prolonged impact, till now it is happening. That time you can speak in present tense. That's fine. But if you're talking about immediate impact that happened in past, then you have to speak in past tense. I'll give you examples. You said, I feel like. No, I felt like. No?
Yeah, I felt like.
People locked in their houses. People were locked. People
Yeah,
were locked
where?
in their houses.
Yeah.
Vehicle are not using that much. The whole sentence construction is wrong.
Vehicle were.
Were, okay. But the sentence construction is wrong, na? People were not using vehicles at that time.
Yeah.
People were not using vehicles at that time. We could not see any vehicles on the road because
Yeah.
there was lockdown. Extrovert person, no, extrovert people.
Extrovert people.
Their nature are, no, their nature is. Why?
The nature
Because you're
is.
talking about their nature. Nature is defined as one. Yeah,
Yeah,
not
singular.
nature's, singular. So their nature is not ours. All right. Okay. Uh, right. So the attempt was very, very good. It was well organized. So good. Yeah, keep on practicing like that. Now coming to the topic of the day, that is
Marketing.
why marketing is important. Right. So how do you define the word marketing?
Yeah, I have read in management. Like my subject is management, so I have read, like I have studied deep studies, study about this. And term marketing. Marketing is a Latin word, and meaning is marketers. Like it's become two words, marketers. So meaning is marketplace. So marketing is a explaining or defining their products, whatever they have. So this is called marketing. Yeah.
Okay. Now how can marketing help in increasing revenue according to you?
Yeah, nowadays marketing is very important because there are so many competitor in market, and if we want to survive in the market, so we need to good marketing and we need to good
We
advertisement
need to
also.
good marketing.
We need to do good marketing.
We need to do good marketing. Okay.
Yeah. So it's very necessary things nowadays. We can't survive without this. And marketing explain whatever we are selling.
Marketing
And
explains.
yeah, marketing explains what we are selling and what we have. What is the product important for you? We have to generate needs. Sometimes people need have need, but sometimes they don't have need. So we have to generate need. So this is also called marketing. So yeah, it's impact like we can generate more revenue through the marketing. Like some nowadays companies are using uh, sponsorship. Sometimes they use any celebrity. They tell us like if you uh, they tell us about product feature, benefits, and sometimes they also tell us like they are also using this product, whether they are using or not, but they always manipulate us like this. So yeah, marketing is a strategy to generate revenues. Ma'am, you are
Features.
on mute.
Advantage. Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
yes. Now your voice is clear.
Okay. So they talk to us about features, advantages, right? Not
Yeah.
one, many. Okay. Now, have you come across any viral trend?
Viral trend, like which type of clothing or eating.
Yeah. Which type of clothing people are wearing right now?
Right now, we are girls are following many Pakistani dresses because of
Hmm.
reels. They're watching reels and they follow. They
They are
follow.
watching reels.
They are, yeah, they follow Pakistani trends nowadays.
They are following.
Yeah, they're following. And nowadays I have seen so many girls in the market. They wear Pakistani kurtas and hosiery. So yeah,
Okay.
this is the trend nowadays. And
Okay.
one more trend, like so many people making reels. It is also a trend, I feel.
Reels, yes. In case of clothing, have nowadays you said Pakistani kurtas, like not
Yeah,
Indian wear, but Pakistani wear. Pakistani
yeah,
style of kurtas are there in the market.
yeah,
How do you think it had become a trend?
yeah. It become trend because
It has
we
become trend.
yeah, it has become 10 because we are watching in reels, we are watching in YouTube videos, and we are watching in dramas also, Pakistani dramas also. So we these girl are like looks very pretty and very comfortable in this in these clothes.
Those
So
dresses.
yeah, in those dresses. So we are also following this trend. I think
Perfect.
it's because of the internet only.
Right. So that comes to my next question. That is, do you think social media is a form of marketing?
Yeah, it's a form of marketing.
Why? Why?
Sorry, ma'am.
Why do you think social media is a form of marketing?
Yeah, social media is a form of marketing. We people, we people, we, yeah, we are using so much social media, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. So like whatever we watch in these videos or in the like whatever we consume like this type of content we it's hit on our mind, like we also want
It
to look
hits
like
on.
them.
Mhm.
Yeah, we also want to look like them because they are very beautiful in these dresses, in those dresses. So yeah, we are following them
Okay.
sometimes.
So you said you're a management student. So have you ever taken a marketing course?
Yeah, not specific. It's my subject, so I have read it only.
Okay. It's one of your subjects. Is it?
Yeah, it's one of my subjects.
Perfect. Have you ever seen an advertisement and decided to buy something because of the advertisement?
Yeah, I like recently I buy Just Herbs perfume,
I have
and because
bought.
of yeah, I bought. Sorry, I bought some Just Herb perfumes because of marketing. I have seen in a WhatsApp group, and I thought like I should buy these. I should buy this, and
Are they
yeah,
good?
no. It's a very like they are trial, they are on trial, they are like it is a trial pack like in their 12 perfumes, but and it is very costly. So yeah, I bought it, and after unboxing that product I felt like it's very like in my whole life it is very a bad thing, whatever I bad thing whatever I have purchased. Like the smell is very bad, or how can I explain? Like it's very costly also, and there is a also mention we can't replace it, we can't uh,
Oh my gosh.
exchange
You
it. Yeah,
cannot return it.
yeah,
Amazing.
we can. I cannot return it. So sometimes
Great.
we face this type of things also with through the social media.
Hmm. Okay. Now I have written a word in the chat box. What is it?
Cost, cost, cost.
So when if you go to internet and you search for the word COST, hmm?
Yeah,
If you go to internet and you search for the word COST, what will you see? You will see a lot of meanings. Hmm?
yeah, cost.
First meaning is first meaning is um, cost, not cost, which is the price of a product.
Yeah,
Hmm? Price of a product.
yeah,
The pronunciation is cost.
cost, cost.
Right? Now, if I just write it down and add al, what it becomes? Coastal.
Coastal, beach
That
area.
means that means what is coastal?
Coastal beach area.
Right. It's
Yeah,
the beach area. So the pronunciations are different. One is coast, one is cost,
yeah,
isn't it? So make sure whenever you are using the words, you are pronouncing it as cost. Cost.
cost,
Okay?
cost. Okay.
Perfect. All right. Any question? Anything that you want to know? Please ask.
No, man.
You're looking very pretty.
Thank you, ma'am. You are also
Yeah.
looking very good.
I always look like this, tired.
No, no,
Yes.
no, not like this. Yes.
All right. All right. Thank you so much, Priyanka. We do have a session again today, isn't it? I
Yeah,
think
today we have a session
in
at 6 p.m.
6 p.m. Yes, we have a session at 6 p.m. All right then. Meet you at 6 p.m. Thank you so much.
Okay, ma'am. Bye bye,
Bye
ma'am.
bye.